What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back at it, man, with another banger. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a. I'm about to be making a West Coast type beat, man. Now, I'm not sure which direction I'm finna pivot in this video, man. You know what I'm saying? It could be a DB by the bag type of beat, a little Drake, Yo the Ruler type beat, man. A little Yup Sid, a little, it could be something, man. But we finna just see what it is. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications, man. Without further ado, let's get into this video. We're gonna start up a new track. We're gonna do 90 BPM on this track, and then we're gonna for the key, we're gonna do like a like a G minor natural type shit. All right, now first things first, man. What I'm finna get into is I'm finna hit the shop right quick, and then I'm finna use the little Central piano kit that they had dropped. I'm finna be using a closed grand piano clip at our clip. All right, so you know what I'm saying, we finna get this melody going, and you know what I'm saying, get some background, you know what I'm saying, some ear candy going, all that, man. And then we finna get into the drums and whatnot. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna make this like a dark type of, you know what I'm saying. First piece right here. So now that we got that, I'm finna just copy that over and then paste it over into the next section of the bars. At the ending, I'm finna just probably like put the last note on a lower one to kind of give the beat like a dark vibe. All right, man. Now that we got that out the way, I'm finna before we get into the drums, I kind of got the melody down pat. I'm finna just equalize the piano really quick. So I'm finna just turn the low ends down. You know what I'm saying? To make more space for the 808s. And then for the brass, I'm gonna just do the same thing and just cut the low ends down. And then, there you go, lie. All right, let's get into it though, man. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie. Before we get into our 808s, I'm finna throw down some claps. So, yeah, I'm saying I'm finna, let's see. We're gonna go to the West clap right here. All right, just, you know, just a little simple. A little simple. You know what I'm saying? Sub-simple, sub-light. Finna copy that over. Paste that. Now we got our claps done. Now it's time to get into them 808 skis, man. So let's get into it. Hey man, say man, another thing, if you enjoying the video, man, don't forget to smash that like button, man. It means a lot and it's gonna help your boy go a long way, man. But hey, let's get into it. Man, the beat sounding fire so far, but I'm finna put y'all on this little sauce I got. So I know this is FL Studio Mobile, but this is the same preset that they use on the computer, like the professional producers use, and basically they just throw the distortion on there. Well, honestly, it's not the distortion, but I'm gonna just say this is similar to the soft clipping on the FL Studio PC version. So, you know what I'm saying? To kind of give it that kind of give it like a more punchy sound, you know what I'm saying, without without overriding the gain limit. But we still, just to be sure, man, just to make sure everything's sounding smooth, we're gonna put the limiter on there, and we just gonna play it right quick and then see where it starts going over the gain level. Yeah. So right there, pretty smooth, man. About negative 5.5 dB, and then I'm finna just throw a little reverb on there. You know what I'm saying? A little soft reverb, nothing too major. I don't really like, you know what I'm saying, putting like heavy reverb on my 808s because it just sounds weird. But yeah, man, now that we got the 808s and our claps out the way, now it's time to get tricky, man. So I'm finna get them zaps going. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I've been getting way better with the zaps, so I ain't gonna lie, this finna go crazy. Let's get into it. Some lights. So now that we got the zaps out the way, I'm finna just copy those and paste that to the second segment, man. And I ain't gonna lie, that's the end of the song. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me see. 808s is kind of sounding like, I don't know. All right, man. So now that we finished, with the beat, I don't want to make the video too long. I'm finna just get to mixing. So, yeah, I'm saying I'm gonna throw the EQ on the claps and kind of just turn the low ends down, man, so it can give more space for the 808s. And then I'm gonna throw the graphic EQ on the zaps, turn up the high ends a little bit, and then throw some reverb on, just like light reverb, man, nothing too major. And then I'm finna throw a reverb on for my claps as well. Yup, yup, yup. And all right, man, this is gonna be the end result of this is the end result, man. So tune in, skis. Type shit, man. Type shit. But hey, man, all right, I'm just do it like that. Boom. But hey, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all learned a thing or two. And make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.